Welcome to this tutorial on how to create custom lesson activities using the Lesson Activities feature in NUITEQ Chorus AI Assistant. This powerful tool allows you to design focused learning experiences on any topic or content. Let's get started. Step 1 is to configure your activity. Start by typing your topic, concept, or learning objective in the provided text field. You can also enhance your prompt by attaching a file, aligning it to academic standards, using voice input, or reviewing example prompts. The AI assistant will also provide an opportunity to automatically improve your prompt. Next, select the activity type, or let the AI assistant choose by enabling automatic. Then choose the appropriate age group from predefined ranges. Next, select the activity size by choosing small, medium, large, or automatic. You'll also define the difficulty level as beginner, medium, advanced, or automatic. Next, select your preferred language. Options include major world languages and indigenous languages. Finally, decide if you would like to include images. You can exclude them, include only when helpful, or always incorporate images. Once your settings are complete, click Create Activity to move on to the next step. Step 2 is to review and edit. Here, you can make custom changes to your lesson activity. On the left side of the screen, you'll find AI-powered editing tools. These allow you to generate similar items, decrease difficulty or increase difficulty, fix grammar, translate, or even incorporate a storyline. You can also interact with the AI assistant via the chat box. Just type in a command or use voice input to adjust the activity in real time. Depending on your activity type, additional customization options may appear. The AI tool can also adjust grammar and difficulty for specific sequences, groups, or rounds within the lesson. Step 3 is to launch your activity. Once you are happy with your edits and revisions, select Start Activity to begin. If you want to make more changes before launching, choose Edit Lesson Activity to go back and revise. When you start your activity, it will launch in a student-ready format, organized, visually engaging, and aligned to your original learning objectives. With just a few simple steps, you can build interactive, engaging lesson activities tailored to your students' needs.